I am Korean Sunny teacher Kosem. Welcome to my Kosem channel. Today's topic is how to make a syllable by using consonants and vowels such as ki, ni, di, ri. I highly recommend you watch my previous videos related to the syllables. They will help you learn this time. Okay, this is a table of all the syllables. I hope you make a table like this and try to fill in them. Okay, it helps you a lot to read Korean syllables, Hangeul. We've learned these parts in my previous lesson, and today we are gonna learn these last part. Okay, there are also romanization spelling. I believe they will help you read Korean. Okay, after studying this lesson, I hope you speak these syllables very well. Now let's read and learn them more closely. Okay, ki, ni, ti, ri, mi, pi, si, i, ji, chi, ki, ti, pi, he. As you see, my mouth doesn't move when I speak each sound. Now let's learn the words with these syllables. First, let me give you an example how it is composed. 기역, 그, 이 are pronounced ki, makes ki sound. Okay, now let's see how to build a syllable and each word with the syllables. 기, 기린, 기린, 기차, 기차. 기역, 그, 이 makes ki sound. 기린, 기차, 기린, 기차. Here I wrote the romanization, but I hope you follow my Korean pronunciation. I think it's better correct to pronounce Korean. Okay, next, ni, 주머니, 주머니, 어머니, 어머니. 니은, 느, 이 becomes ni sound. 주머니, 주머니, 어머니, 어머니. She is I. Next, D, 잔디, 잔디, 라디오, 라디오. 디귿, 드, 이 makes this sound. 잔디, 라디오, 잔디, 라디오. Next, 리, 오리, 오리, 개구리, 개구리. 리을, 르, 이 is pronounced 리, 오리, 오리, 개구리, 개구리. Next, 미, 미끄럼틀, 미끄럼틀, 개미, 개미. 미, 미음, 무, 이 is pronounced 미, 미끄럼틀, 개미, 미끄럼틀, 개미. Next, 비, 비누, 비누, 제비, 제비. 비읍, 브, 이 becomes B sound. 비누, 제비, 비누, 제비. Next, 시장, 시장. It's a traditional market is 전통시장, 전통시장. Okay. Next, 시계, 시계. 시옷, 스, 이 makes C sound. 시장, 시계, 시장, 시계. Next, 이마, 오이. Okay, first O doesn't have a sound. 이마, 오이, 이마, 오이. Next, 지붕, 반지. 지읒, 이 is pronounced 지붕, 반지. 치마, 치약. 치읓, 이 makes 치 sound. 치마, 치약. Next, kiwi, ski. 키읔, 이 becomes ki. kiwi, ski. Okay, ticket. t-shirts. t-shirts. We say t-shirts. 3 syllables, not 1 syllable. This is a bus ticket. 티읕, 이 makes T sound. ticket, t-shirt. Okay, 피자. 피아노. 피읍, 이 becomes 피자. piano. Okay, last. We are almost there. 히터. 굽히다. This is a back. 등을 굽히다. 히읗, 이 is pronounced 히터. 굽히다. Wow, we did. Okay, did you speak with me? How was it? I hope you can read the simple words that you've learned so far. Let's read much faster than 기니디리미비시이지치키티피히. There are several types of syllable blocks in Korean and more. Okay, today I'll show you 5 basic syllable blocks as an example. The first, consonants and vowel. Vowel is located next to consonants. The letter ka belongs to these syllable blocks. Next, consonants and vowel. Vowel is located under the consonants. And this letter is no. Okay, next, consonants, vowel, and final consonants. Okay, this letter is this kind of letter, 곰. Okay, next, consonants and vowel has final consonants. This letter is 잠. Last, consonants and vowel has double consonants. 겹받침. 닭. Okay, now I'm gonna write the letters. Why don't you take your notes and write along with me slowly? Okay, these letters belongs to this type of the first syllable blocks. Okay, consonant goes first and then vowels is placed next to the consonants. Let's write them together. Ki, ni, ti, di, mi, pi, si, i, ti, chi, ki, ti, pi, he. The way is he. Okay. Did you write them correctly with me? Or you say? I think it becomes easier to you now, right? Okay, now let's read one more fastest. Ki, ni, di, mi, pi, si, i, ji, chi, ki, ti, pi, he. Okay, one last time, let's redo them together loudly without the pictures and English letters. Here we go. Ki, kirin, kirin, 기차, 기차. 니, 주머니, 주머니, 어머니, 어머니. 디, 잔디, 잔디. 라디오, 라디오. 리, 오리, 오리. 개구리, 개구리. Next. 미, 미끄럼틀, 미끄럼틀. 개미, 개미. 비, 비누, 비누. 제비, 제비. 시, 시장, 시장. 시계, 시계. 이, 이마, 이마. 오이, 오이. 지, 지붕, 지붕. 반지, 반지. 치, 치마, 치마. 치약, 치약. 키, 키위, 키위. 스키, 스키. 티, 티켓, 티켓. 티셔츠, 티셔츠. 피, 피자, 피자. 피아노, 피아노. 히, 히터, 히터. 굽히다, 굽히다. Have you followed along with me so far? I hope my video will help you study Korean. If it was helpful, please like and subscribe. Okay, I hope it is helpful for you to learn Korean. Next time, we'll learn how to make and read Korean final consonants like 강, 낙, 당, 락. Okay, some people said the final consonants 받침 are a little bit difficult, but I think 받침 is a very, very important part to read Korean. Okay, I hope you watch the next my video. Thank you so much for watching my Cosem channel. I'll be back with a much better video class to you. We just keep going. See you next time. Bye.